Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is this sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
A special message for you, sir. Mama, I may not told you often, but I want you to know you are the best father anyone could have, and I'm really lucky to have you. Happy birthday, Papa. Love you. From Francis. I salute you, Papa, for everything you've done for us. Ate, Kuya, especially for me. Alam mo yan, I'm so grateful and blessed to have you as my Papa. I promise you that someday, ipagmamalaki mo rin ako like ni Kuya and Ate. Happy birthday, Papa! Enjoy your day kahit wala kami ni Kuya dyan. Love, love, love. Mak.
Ako was a child before life renewed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and dance with my hand, spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. Another chance, another walk, another dance with him. I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again. Ito ang huling awiting na awitin. Nais kong malaman kung ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kita lumuhay. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang
ganito mangyayari, naglasing na ako eh.
Guys, ha?
Sawa na ako mag-speech sa mga ano eh. Pero, maski anong mangyari, nagpapasalamat ako sa, unang-una sa misis ko sa
Yes!
dahil
Ay, nakang
sinurprise ako sa ganitong ano eh. Okasyon, akala ko,
Simple.
saka, isa pa pala, yung pinsan ko, kahit ko may ano, pandemic, nakarating yan. Papasalamat ako kay engineer, saka sa mga kapitbahay ko. Kasi ako, ayaw ko talagang ano eh, maghanda dahil walang magagawa nito. Pero papasalamat ako sa bilas ko, saka yung mga kapitbahay namin. At sa inyo na rin, sa kanta mo, tumagal pa.
Yes.
Yay! Blow ka po, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
My only wish for you is avoid stress life. Huwag kang mai-stress dahil you enjoy your retirement.
Yes.
Enjoy for what you have, but be humble and kind to everyone. Happy birthday.